Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Lisa Montgomery. I am a proud triple alumna of Westchester University. I graduated in 1992 with a Bachelor of Science in Marketing. I graduated again in 2001 with an MBA. And just this past March 25th of 2020, I graduated with a Doctor of Education from Westchester University. And I currently serve as the Westchester University Student Ombuds Manager. Today, I'm going to read a story regarding Kwanzaa. It is called The Sound of Kwanzaa by Demetria Tokunbo, illustrated by Lisa Cohen. For Andrea, Brian, Chloe, and Dobbin. For Mishka, Jackson, Taylor, Austin, Hannah, Philip, and Hannah Barnes, shine a light of love. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Loving words and greeting family, we stand together for umoja. Umoja means unity. One black candle gently shines to welcome the first Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Working hands and ancient stories, we learn our traditions for Kujichagulia. Kujichagulia means self-determination. One red candle gently flickers to honor our second Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Banging hammers and sweeping brooms, we share the chores for Ujima. Ujima means collective work and responsibility. One green candle gently shimmers to lighten our third Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Laughing shoppers and chanting merchants, we support our neighborhoods for Ujamaa. Ujamaa means cooperative economics. Another red candle gently twinkles to brighten our fourth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Sharing dreams and setting goals, we plan our future for Nia. Nia means purpose. Another green candle gently glows to illuminate our fifth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Beating drums and singing voices, we perform for Koumba. Koumba means creativity. Another red candle gently burns to warm our sixth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Thankful prayers and loud harambes, we celebrate our lives for Imani. Imani means faith. The last green candle gently sparkles to bless our seventh Kwanzaa night. Harambe, harambe, harambe. Here is the author's note. When I was much younger, my father took me to Harlem. We stopped to visit one of his friends. As my father introduced us, his voice boomed. This is the man who created Kwanzaa. It was true. Dr. Mavlana Karenga started this African American celebration in 1966. He named it after the Swahili word Kwanzaa, which means first fruits. Kwanzaa is observed for 7 days from December 26th through January 1st. Kwanzaa is a time to reaffirm African American culture by practicing the Nguzo Saba, which means 7 guiding principles. The 7 guiding principles are Umoja, meaning unity, Kujijakalia, self-determination, Ujima, collective work and responsibility, Ujama, cooperative economics, Nia, purpose, Koumba, creativity, and finally Imani, meaning faith. Each day, the question is asked, Habari Gani, which means, what's the news? The response is to say the Nguzo Saba for that day and to light a candle on the kinara, or candle holder. Another Swahili word I mentioned in this book is harambe, an exclamation that means let's pull together. On the last day of Kwanzaa, many African American families have a karamu, meaning feast or party. When my daughters and I were invited to our first karamu, we wanted to bring one of our favorite desserts, brownies, but we wanted to give them a special festive twist in honor of the celebration. We decided to individually wrap bite-sized pieces of brownie and a small slip of paper, each having one of the Nguzo Saba written on it. Toward the end of the party, our host passed around the dish with our gift-wrapped brownies to the guests. One by one, we all took a brownie, unwrapped it, and shared how we planned to use the principle we found during the upcoming year. Here is one of my family's favorite recipes. We call it no-cook Kwanzaa brownie bites. You can make and share them at your next karamu. Even though these brownies require no cooking, adult supervision is suggested when preparing them. Enjoy, DT.